雞手鴨腳，雞手鴨腳。
It is another Cantonese idiom related to chicken and duck. Its direct translation is chicken hands and duck feet. Its written form is
笨手笨腳，笨手笨腳。
meaning stupid hands and stupid feet. Or we simply translate it into clumsy-handed. Actually, chicken has no hands, but we use chicken hands and duck feet to vividly describe someone cannot coordinate his hands and feet when doing something. It implies that he is stupid in doing something because of lack of practice or experience. For example,
佢平時冇煮開飯，一入到廚房就雞手鴨腳。佢平時冇煮開飯，一入到廚房就雞手鴨腳。
In English, it means she usually doesn't cook and becomes clumsy when she works in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.